the Bosnian Serbs, until comparatively recently, had been in the majority in Bosnia, and then the Muslims, who had a very much higher birth rate than the Serbs, became the predominant, the majority population. And this, of course, was something very hard for the Serbs to swallow, and they made it abundantly plain very early on that they were not prepared to accept a situation in which there was an independent Bosnia under the constitution which then prevailed. And indeed, under the constitution which then prevailed, it was illegal for Izetbegović to declare independence, because any constitutional change of that magnitude had to be agreed by all three parties. If the Europeans and the Americans et al., the United Nations, had not intervened in Yugoslavia, there would have been far fewer people killed, there would have been far less ethnic cleansing, there would have been some extremely unhappy and dissatisfied people who felt that they had been done out of their country or their livelihood or whatever it might be. But there were going to be a very large number of dissatisfied and unhappy people at the end of all this. And perhaps the moral of it all is that you should think very carefully before you intervene in a civil war